Welcome everyone. Solomon Danny here. So in this video, we're going to learn how to design this particular flyer design together. All right. I'm going to show you step by step how I designed this particular flyer, and then from there you get to learn how to design something like this. All right. So let's go straight to our Pixel Lab. So this is my Pixel Lab. The first thing you want to do is to create your background. And of course, by now you should have known where the icon is, which is here. All right. So you go here, then go to color. Now, if you observe the background closely, you see that here is more darker than this side. So this kind of background is called a gradient background. It's called a gradient background. So how do we create a gradient background? You come down to this gradient here. All right. And then you pick any gradient here. Just pick any one. Then tap on this plus icon. All right, when you tap on the plus icon, drag this one to this side and this one like this. So for this part, this one, all right, we're going to change the color from white to blue. So tap on this thing that looks like a bucket, then drag it to this blue side. All right, so you're going to do same with this second part that is very dark. So we want to use dark but a dark blue. All right, so here we go. Now the next thing we want to do is to add this UK flyer, because if you look at this flyer, talk about learn how to register companies in the UK and US. So we want to project something that talk about that UK and US. We want to tell people that okay, these flyers talking about registering company in US and UK, not Nigeria. So by doing that, in order the best way we can communicate that is by using US flag. So I'll go to my phone now and get the flag. So here's the flag I use. I'll just crop it this way, okay, and drag it like this. Then of course reduce it like this. Go to opacity, and reduce it. You see that now. Then once you're here, you still go to shapes. Go to shapes. Then come down to gradient. So pick any gradient of your choice. For me, I'm going to pick this black and white. Then still tap on this plus icon. Then this particular one, we're going to make it transparent. So we tap on this thing that look like bucket and drag this third one to this side. We have made it transparent. Then this second one, we're going to make it another color blue. So we'll make it color blue, something like this. All right, yeah. So just simply drag it like so, like this, and then we turn it. The purpose of doing this thing is to blend. Come here, I'll show you why I'm doing this. Now, if you look at, let me show you something. If you look at this edge, you see that it's very sharp. So what we want to do now is to blend it so that it will be like it's part of the background, so that people will not really know that we added this thing, because if you look at it, it's very sharp. So that's what we want to do. Now, before then, I'll just simply save this flyer. I'll save it now. I want to use it to do something. Now, once I save it now, I hold this particular thing, then go to texture. Go to texture, open it from image. Then I'm going to crop this part and then OK. Coming. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is that if you look at it, you see that you know that this thing is a gradient background. Coming. Oh God. It's a gradient background. One side is dark, one side is lighter. So we cannot use just pure blue. We want to have that gradient feel. So since we have something like this, I'll just go to my 3D rotate and rotate it like this. Then bring it here. Go to 3D rotate and rotate it. Then bring it here like this. Now if you observe now, it's not that visible like we have it earlier on, but then we still need to make it much more better. Now let's leave it like this for now. As we go on, we'll still blend it more. Now the next thing we want to do now, that flag is not that visible, so let me just Hope this thing is recording. Okay. So let me increase the opacity of the flag a bit. All right. So I'll lock it like so. Then the next thing we want to do now, let me show you, is to write this free training blah 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 blah. All right. So I'll just go to shapes, get something like this, and place it here like this. Drag it like this. Place it like that. Then go to gradient. Just pick any one. Tap on the plus icon. All right. Then this blue part, we're going to change it to green. Then this top outside as well, we change it to green. Now we want to make the down part more darker, so we'll drag it to the dark side. All right, and then we drag it like this, like this. Let me make it a bit more lighter. The down part is too dark, so let me see if I can make it more lighter. All right, so we have something like this. So I'll just go to perspective, enable it, then drag it like that. Did you see that? All right, so place it here. Then on it we have free training, free training. The green is too light. The green is too light. Let me see how I can reduce it a bit. All right, this is better. So free training. Then I will select a font. The font I want to use here is called Eastman Roman. Eastman Roman. You can download it and install it. All right, you can download it and install it. It's called Eastman Roman. Okay, so I go to shadow, enable it, and then bring this Y offset and increase it small. Then reduce the opacity small. All right, so that the free training can be very visible. So I'm going to copy the remaining text. All right, so you have something like this. Then I still go to my fonts. We're still going to use that Eastman Roman. Eastman Roman. Okay, yes. Then, so we want to break it. We want to break this word. I'll just remove this part first. Then for this learn how to, I'll go to my font again and then select the one I used for that free training. Then change the color to, I think I use orange color there, or yellow. Okay, yellow. So I'll change the color to yellow. And then the remaining part. Now the reason why I do this is to project these registered companies in UK and US more. I want to project it. I want people to be able to read it fast. So I'm going to still use that same font I used earlier. So yeah, I think I'm okay with this. All right, so we have something like this. Then always use this guideline. Just click here and then make sure you use this so that everything can be properly aligned. All right, now we have gotten our heading. Now for the subheading, I'll just have to copy that one, copy it, bring it down. All right, what color did I use? I use yellow. So let me reduce it a bit. Just go to color, then use yellow. But then let me take this up, take that up, take this up, take this up too. I think the word they say with expert guidance, with expert good. Sorry about that. Let me put my phone on airplane mode. Alright, with expert guidance. So place it here. Of course, using black color because the background is already white, is light. So we're going to use a black color to complement it, to create good contrast. We are not going to use a light color, maybe light blue or light green to place it on top of it. It's not going to be really nice. So we use a dark color on a light background. Do you understand? So now we're going to bring in the image. Yeah, so here's the image. You drag it to this side and then go to 3D rotate and rotate it like so. Okay, so I will lock it. The next thing I want to do is to bring in the remaining text that are down here. So I'll go to my text. So these are the texts. I will be adding them one after the other. This is the first one. So I'll just, then I'll go back to that same font. Remember, I'm using just one typeface yet. Okay, so then copy, and then let me clear this one too. Copy again and edit. All right, so these are the three things we have there. So the next thing I want to do now is to add a pointer. I want to add a pointer that points to these three highlights. All right, so I'll go to my shapes, open it, tap here to open it. Okay, then I'll pick this one, come down to color, change the color to yellow, and then drag it down. Then copy it again. Bring it down. Copy it again. Bring it down. All right. Then the next thing I want to add now is coarse outline. I think there is something like that, coarse outline. So I'll just copy this one, that free training. I'll just copy it and edit because I don't want to start everything afresh. Coarse outline. All right. So I'll just reduce it a bit and place it somewhere here. Then take these highlights up. Take it up. Okay. Yeah. Now let me still take them up. So now I want to add the venue. Just go to your shapes, pick the square, come down a bit to your radius, maybe do something like 40, then compress it like this and bring it down. All right, bring it down like this, Then you can change the color to green. Change the color to green. Venue private WhatsApp group. All right. If you observe very well, the green is too light, so we cannot easily read that thing. So I'll just go to color again and make it a bit more darker so that people can easily read what is there. Remember, I told you that light stuff should be on a darker background. Now, finally, we want to add our call to action. So I'll go to shapes, then come down to opacity, reduce it to 0. Still come down to stroke, give it like 3. Come down to color, give it white. Go up to radius, do something like this, and bring it down. So we're going to have our call to action there, and the call to action says click the learn more button to join now. All right, so see, this is the test. Click the learn more button. All right, so you go to your font and change it again, then reduce it so you can fit into that. All right, so make sure you place it well so you can fit into the shape. Do you get? Let me reduce it a bit. And with this, you are good to go with your design. So you may want to even add some effect. Just go to stickers. You see this white thing. Once you see this white thing, just tap on your screen. Don't tap, just tap on your screen like this. Then drag it like this. Then change the color to blue. Change the color to blue. And then you have something like this. All right. So, and then you save your work. Also remember to save it as project so that whenever you want to edit it again, maybe there's an error you want to edit, you can come back and edit. How do you do that? You just tap on this save as project, give it a name, give it any name, and then you save. Let me show you. So if you want to see them back, you see this for my own pixel, you see something like projects. So you tap on it, you can see different designs that are saved here. In case the owner sees some changes, I can always come back here to make the changes. So guys, let me show you the flyer we just did now. Here's the flyer, and then boom. So this is how we do this flyer. So in the next the advanced video tutorials, I'm going to show you how to still make this design pop, how to still make this design more attractive using Lightroom. Yeah, I will show you how to make it more attractive using Lightroom.